Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this lash extension kit. I mean, this is the way to go without having any sort of makeup. This will change the look of your eyes. And this is a really nice full kit that you get all of these different sized lashes in here, and you get everything you need to be able to put them on. So it comes really nicely packaged, so you can easily give it as a gift or anything. All of this is in a nice sealed container. I love that. It's not a little piece of plastic or anything, so you can keep everything in here. And they'll send you with your lash remover. You get a nice little tweezers, you get your bond and your seal. So all you need to do is curl your lashes, you get your nice bond, open that up, and it's a nice glue. So you've got a nice easy area there to be able to put that on your lashes. Once you get that glue on, it's a nice heavy bond. You then take your handy little tweezers, you pick out whatever size you're wanting to with your tweezers, and then apply them onto your eye. Let it sit on there, and then seal it in, and you are good to go. This is a beautiful set. I love how they have it all detailed on here. These lashes are nice and realistic with all sorts of varieties of different lengths. Easy to put on, easy to identify, and I love the little case.